how long have I serviced you?
I think the first car was like 4 years ago.
What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, guys. Happy Monday, by the way. I hope you guys had a blessed weekend. We have some crazy weather coming up here for this upcoming week here in Dallas. So we got rain building up. We'll see what happens. But today, we're working on this Hyundai Elantra. And in today's video, guys, I want to showcase this is more of not having an air compressor. Today, the Max Shine blower is gonna be the main event all around. I'm gonna be teaching you guys, if you don't have an air compressor in your business, don't panic. Maybe this route can kind of help you guys out a little bit on the cleaning process if you don't have a vortex air tool, or you just don't have an air compressor, right? Maybe your finances aren't there right now, right? That's what today's video is going to be about. So stick around and let's have some fun. I think the hardest thing of working with a vehicle that has a lot of pet hair is that you're gonna have to have a lot of patience, because pet hair is one of the most toughest ones to do. So just know that you need a lot of patience when dealing with pet hair. So just take your time. The main goal is making sure you're able to get as majority of this pet hair off, so when you come to do the extraction, it's a little bit easier on your extractor as well. And then you see me here blowing out the carpet as well. The blowing is just helping me loosen up any pet hair that kind of was embedded, but it gives us the results that we're looking for, like these. All right, really quickly, you're gonna see on this next clip how I use this blower. There is a lot of benefits actually today as I really use this fully. Like literally, as I was using this tool today, I found so many benefits that this blower brings. It doesn't have to be a Max Shine. Obviously, with Max Shine, you do get a discount code. Obviously, use my code Serranos15 on the Max Shine website, and you can get this one. I think it's for like $99 probably, with free shipping. And this thing put in work today. But on this door panel, obviously you're gonna see me spray the panel down. I'm gonna scrub it and then steam it, and then I'm coming with the blower, right? So if I don't have an air compressor, the blower is gonna be my best friend. And then you just start blowing everything out, blowing out all the water, all the residue from the steaming, wiping it off, and you're good to go, guys. But this is definitely one of those tools that you want to have in your arsenal. You might not use it, but you never know when you could use this tool. So before I continue cleaning the passenger side, like the door panels, that's where I usually stop, and I will go ahead and just start the pre-spray on the seats, on the carpet. That way the product starts dwelling into the material, and by the time I finish the door panels, I will be ready to start the extraction process. And before I start the extraction, I will usually go ahead and just steam the seats with this upholstery brush. That way, I'll induce heat as well as agitation, and it helps with the extraction. Another benefit of having this blower, this one here generates heat as well. So in theory, you have like a heated element, right? So you're gonna see on this clip, I'm literally blowing like the seat off to kind of start drying it, and since there's a little bit of heat coming out, it kind of speeds the process up. Obviously you can buy one of those bigger fans to dry the interior, but if you don't have that, if it's not in your finances, guys, this can actually do really, really good to kind of start helping you dry the seats up a little bit. Alrighty guys, so before I continue to this next part of the video, obviously we are still cleaning. We are here with the customer, right? So a while back somebody had asked me, hey Carlos, are you able to get a customer of yours, ask him a couple questions? This is not like it's not a paid actor or nothing, however they do that on TV, right? But no, just a couple questions I have for you is, one is, how long have I serviced you?
I think the first car was like 4 years ago.
4 years ago?
Maybe whenever we very first started.
Yeah. Okay.
My old Ford Taurus.
That thing was beat up. Yeah, I remember that one. That thing was gnarly. All right, so about 4 years, and through the years, he's kept me, as one of his detailers,
Yeah.
to service his cars. Have you ever had any other detailers touch your vehicles?
Yeah, a couple times. A little bit cheaper, but the quality's never been as good, So,
If you don't mind me asking, what did you pay?
I think last time on this car, it was like 180.
180.
But like you said, there's still seeing some stains in the seat a little bit here and there. Still just not as good as what comes out when you normally do it.
Okay. And then I guess the last question is, what keeps you, even though I guess the cost of everything has gone up, what has kept you keeping me, even though the cost has gone up and he knows that? Why have you kept me and not switched over to like another detailer?
Just the quality of service. It looks brand new when it's done. Okay. Every time it looks brand new. It doesn't just look clean, it looks brand new in there. So that's why.
Awesome. So those are just, I for many years I've serviced him, and I'm very grateful for always having the opportunity. I think when I started with you, did I charge you, was it like 80, 100?
I think it was like 150 maybe.
150
for just the interior.
For the interior, right?
I think you did the outside too.
Yeah, because I usually, all my packages come with the next year wash, whether you
Okay.
want it or you don't, right? But he started with me a long time ago, and we started at 150, and he's been with me every time we increment. He's been with me, and it's been a blessing for me. Obviously, I'm always scared to raise the price, but unfortunately cost and everything keeps going up. The cost of living goes up.
Yep.
I'm just blessed he's been able to just keep me around, right? I know that when it comes to the major things, I'll be here, right?
Yeah.
I'm always busy, but we always make time to service his vehicles. But anyways, just wanted to kind of showcase a little bit of how long I've had this customer, why he's come back with me. And that's pretty much it, guys. I know somebody had asked, they wanted to ask questions like, hey, do you get a customer, not no fake one? And I was like, I've never had a fake one, but that kind of gives you guys an idea of really actual customers I've serviced throughout the years, why they keep coming back. And I can honestly say a lot of them will kind of all match the same criteria. It's quality. I was late today, 5 minutes.
Train's fault.
Time, I'm always on time. Communication, it's things like that that keep customers keep coming back because they know they can rely on you. But anyways, let's get back to this car, and let's get ready to finish it.
Cool.
For carpet, I'm using the blower and the drill brush with I call it the toilet brush attachment, and you're seeing me agitate with the drill, and then I'm coming with the blower to start loosening up everything, right? And you'll see how quickly I'm able to clean this mat full of pet hair, embedded pet hair on the mat, with just this blower and a drill brush. Real basic stuff that you can buy. It's not gonna cost you an arm and a leg. Oh yeah, that's spicy. Oh. That's delicious. Looks like they're spicy. That taco was so good, it didn't even need lemon. Sorry, y'all. Only I could smell this taco. It smells so good. Take one last bite of this spicy jalapeno. That is delicious. Whew. Oh man, that is spicy. Shout out to the customer though. Thank you. Wow. That jalapeno is spicy. And that concludes today's video, guys. I hope today's video, guys, kind of showcase a little bit on how to do an interior with minimal equipment. Obviously, I do have a heated extractor, but I didn't have my air compressor. And if you guys been following me, you guys know that air compressor is always putting in work. But today, the Max Shine blower actually put the work in with me. I'm very happy with the results we got, and you're gonna see a couple clips of literally some pictures how it finished off. It was full of pet hair. Now this car looks good. This month I'm actually giving a free, I'm spraying a spray sealant. I'm using Geon Wet Coat on the paint just because I had some bottles laying around. So for this month, every customer that gets a interior detail will receive Geon Wet Coat. So it's like a spray sealant that after you wash it, after you rinse it off, you spray the paint down while it's wet, give it a couple seconds and pressure wash it off, and you're gonna have amazing beading And I gotta say, slickness too to the paint. And it's literally about a 3-month sealant probably. It's not gonna last, but it definitely adds that extra wow factor on the paint. It adds that pop. When they come out and see it, it's nice and glossy, and it helps drying it as well. So really cool. Overall, I spent, I think, about 3 hours total, which is usually very fair when this vehicle is full of pet hair. I usually take around 3 to 4 hours because of all that pet hair. I have to vacuum and vacuum, but overall, this vehicle turned out really well. As always, guys, God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.